Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Paris Nomad. Today I will work a little bit on the Yamaha TDR 125. So you can follow me and maybe you can learn something or you can see something while I'm working on the bike. So first I will take off part of the fairing. Just some standard screws. Take off the seats. You can also disconnect the battery. Then the same on the other side. So now we have the fairing off. Sorry, it's just getting a little bit warm. So, and then we take the fuel tank off. So this is okay. So normally you can disconnect the fuel tank and with the fuel lines, and then you can take the tank off, but sometimes I'm too lazy and I just put it like this.